Hello good people. I've just stopped because this tree is utterly gorgeous and it's blowing in the wind, and it made me think of the question, are we rigid or are we able to blow in the wind when we need to? I just thought I'd stop and contemplate that for a moment whilst the tree's doing their beautiful thing, and thought I'd share that with you. It's actually the middle of the day today. I often do these videos in the morning or the evening, but this just stopped me in my tracks. Nature reminds us to look at our patterns, and if we stop to have a look. So that's what I thought I'd do. Think like a tree. Thank you. Take care. Bye.